is amazing to be in the kitchen with you guys today. It is fantastic. I do love you so much, and that's why I want to give you this recipe. I know you guys are going to love this because it's just an amazing, I'm always giving you different kind of recipes, you know it. I give you some of the most beautiful recipe for you guys to make at home. I'm always have to give back something to you because guys, you love me so much and I love you too. And I give you juice, I give you meat-free Monday and all different kind of healthy recipe for you to work with at home to look after yourself. Every night we do normally do a healthy tea recipe, so stay tuned in with this beautiful and an amazing healthy tea recipe we've been doing every other night. We do high blood pressure, you name it. So do not miss this one, and just remember also we are here to fill some of the gap with you guys. So if you missed the videos, remember the video right there, you guys can watch. And stay tuned in with Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much for all of that beautiful love. And now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna deliver on an amazing recipe to you for you to make at home. So stay tuned in and let's do this together. We're going to do is show you guys exactly what you guys can do at home. If you guys like something totally different, then you're gonna love this one because I never do this recipe before. This is the first time I'm going to do this recipe, so without apologize, trust me, you guys gonna love this one. Yeah, let's jump straight into it. Let's jump straight into this fantastic one. All right, so we must say we got ripe banana, right, and we got oats. We got 1.5 tablespoons of oats. I soak the oats, guys, just to let you guys know that I soak the oats. If you don't understand what I mean, yeah, the oats. Got some yogurt. You can use your favorite yogurt you like to use, so don't get panic. All right, these are good yogurt for gut bacteria, so you can use live yogurt. This one is a strawberry flavor. All right, now keep on an update. We got some chia seeds. Gonna put roughly about a teaspoon inside of it. Alright, now don't feel anywhere. I'm going to give you some milk, whole milk. Alright, so the milk, alright, you can use your milk which you like to use. Alright, yeah man, use your milk what you like to use. We're going to put about half a teaspoon of honey inside of it. Put on the lid. Alright, and we're going to blend it up. Now before we blend, let's quickly talk about the book. The book is available on Amazon. Go over to Amazon and get yourself a copy of the brand new book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo's Secret Recipes to Success. It's available for each and every one of us who are interested in something different. Okay, yeah man, so get this and support the progress. All right, if you don't mind. All right guys, now we're going to blend. All right, we're gonna blend it up. Let's you guys can see what I'm doing. Let's go for it. that is permanently. Yeah, I'm telling you the honest truth. Look at this. Beautiful, lovely, and nice. That is exactly what I'm talking about. Yeah, that is permanently 100% effective and an amazing. All right. So if you guys are just said to yourself, you know what? Yes, Chef Ricardo, I like that. You don't know it already. Please do one thing: share the love, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. All right. And we can always do better, best, better for each and every one of us. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for your support and for your time, sharing the love towards this and an amazing episode today in the kitchen with you guys. Leave your comments down below and tell me exactly what do you think about my healthy smoothie today. Right? Tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. No disrespect to no one, because my respect goes for you and each and every one of you guys. Have a great evening, great Monday evening, afternoon. Just remember, the clock dropped backward, so a lot of people don't know. So the clock, you know what I mean? Yeah, the clock dropped back 1 hour earlier. All right, so people, enjoy the moment and enjoy yourself. Peace and love, happiness, and I will sooner with more healthy recipes like these for you guys to use at home. All right, yeah man, have a great evening, great afternoon, blessing. Today's Monday. The weather not too great outside, but we still give God thanks because it's the weather, you know. So yeah, let you know with part 2 and have a beautiful evening. Be blessed.